Hello all. Today we are going to see what are qualities of a good Scrum Master. So these are just my point of view. There may be a few more points which I have missed or which I have felt like less important. So just sharing this topic so that it can be useful for a good Scrum Master also to understand, and also from an interview point also, even the interviewers will be looking for a Scrum Master with these type of basic qualities, because the Scrum Master role is kind of a little different role compared to the others. That means coming considering to a team lead or a tech lead or a project manager mostly. This will be getting confused with the project manager most. So I want to clearly tell what are the qualities of a good Scrum Master in this video. First quality is servant leadership. So the servant leader was a term which was used in the Scrum Guide 2017 actually, and in 2020 version, it was later changed to a true leader. So a Scrum Master should be a servant leader, which means Scrum Master should know when to act as a servant for a team to help, come forward to helping, and should know when to lead a team in all aspects as a true leader. So both the servant leadership is one of the important quality, even though it has been removed from the Scrum Guide. As per the latest version I mentioned, right? It's a true leader kind of role. So a Scrum Master should be a true leader. Next, coach or mentor. As you know very well, Scrum Master is like a team level coach, correct? For that, Scrum Master should have good coaching skills and should be able to coach the team whenever possible in whatever way. Should act like a mentor for team. Next, strategy thinker. So when it comes to the overall strategy, so this is one of the quality of a Scrum Master. I will also tell like even from a product level, a product owner normally has a product level strategy, right? So even Scrum Master can also help the product owner in deriving the strategy and also a long-term strategy which can work for the team. For example, coming to the process point of view, he or she should have the strategic thinking part, whether this will work out for a long run in a team or not. So if the Scrum Master should be able to think in that part. And also Scrum Master should be a good listener and an observer. This is one of the very important quality because um, if we are listening keenly on all the points and observing how the team is performing, then only we will be able to bring about continuous improvement within a team. So Scrum Master should be a good listener and an observer. Scrum Master should be a good facilitator. Facilitator means facilitator for all types of meetings, including stakeholder collaboration or the standard Scrum events. Scrum Master should be a good unblocker. So unblocker means one of the important responsibilities of a Scrum Master is removing the impediments or blocker. Right? So Scrum Master should be knowing how to remove the impediment and how a Scrum Master can enable continuous flow of value within a team. So should know very well whom to reach for which and how to get the blocker removed as soon as possible. Conflict resolver. So conflict resolver means you know very well within a team there are high chances for a conflict to happen. Maybe within a developer and a developer, or it may be between a developer and a QA. So a lot. In that case, Scrum Master should be pitching in and resolve that conflict and make sure that it's happening in a healthy way. This conflict resolving, I will be sharing a separate video in future. Then change agent. So one of the criteria I mentioned for a Scrum Master is to enable continuous improvement of the team. For that, Scrum Master should act as a change agent to bring a new process. For example, a team may be following some anti-patterns, which we will discuss later, but this anti-pattern means like it's kind of a bad practice. So in that case, the Scrum Master should be the one who should act as a change agent at that point. Then a powerful question. Scrum Master should ask powerful question to the team so that you can enable transparency and make sure that team is working on the right direction. Then Scrum Master should be a motivator. Yes. Keeping the team motivated all the time. So that also is Scrum Master's job or a quality I used to tell. So also a good Scrum Master should be a good timekeeper. So Scrum works on time boxed manner, right? So Scrum Master should be knowing to keep a tab on the time and make sure events are getting completed in a time boxed fashion. Last part. So the above points, whichever I explained to you till now, or like a must-have qualities, I will tell. There may be more, but it's according to me. And when it comes to the last point, as a dev thinker, it's good to have. That means from a dev point also, a Scrum Master, if a Scrum Master is able to think, for example, coming to the TDD, BDD, this code coverage part, then maintaining a coding standard deployment, how it is happening, coming to the DevOps concepts. Also, if the Scrum Master is having a good idea on what the team is exactly doing, that can help you in future and understand even help the team in a even better way. So, dev thinker, this I mentioned in a different way, like a dev thinker here. Like good to have quality for a Scrum Master. So that's it, folks. I just want to hope this video is useful for you all, and you're able to understand the qualities of a good Scrum Master. And all the very best. Bye.